Hello everyone, this is my flight review of JetBlue's Mint flight from Newark to Los Angeles. Since this is a flight review instead of a flight report, I will be sharing my impressions and opinions. I will be rating 5 categories: the aircraft, crew and service, seat, meals, and the in-flight entertainment system on a scale of 1 to 5 stars. Here you can see the items I rate for each category. The final score is an average of the ratings of each item. At the end of this video, you will be able to see how the scores break down. Boarding began on time. Due to the COVID-19 pandemic, boarding started with the back rows towards the front rows. For that reason, Mint passengers were the last to board. The seat configuration in the Mint cabin alternates between 2-2 on odd rows and 1-1 on even rows. The seats on even rows are throne-like, with no other seats next to them, offering direct aisle access. Unfortunately, the throne seats were already taken when I chose my seat. I love the Mint cabin. I give aircraft and cabin 4.2 stars. Please enjoy the sights and sounds of the takeoff. The memory foam pillow and soft comforter surely makes your flight very comfortable. Because of the COVID-19 pandemic, we were given disinfecting wipes. All passengers are required to wear face coverings during the whole flight, except when eating or drinking. Let's take a closer look at the seat. The seat is very comfortable. There is a divider between seats if you are on the row with 2 seats. In the middle, you can find a reading light, water bottle holder, cell phone holder, and universal power outlet. The seat controls are responsive and intuitive. You can adjust the seat position, cushion firmness, and activate the massage function. I found the size of the footwell to be adequate. I give my seat 3.8 stars. This score would certainly be much higher if I were rating the throne seat. During the COVID-19 pandemic, JetBlue is one of the very few airlines offering a full meal service as opposed to snack boxes or pre-made sandwiches. They serve small plates. You can choose 3 out of 5 options. I chose the arugula salad, burrata, and pork shoulder. The food was delicious, definitely one of my best experiences in a domestic airline. I rate the meals 4.4 stars. There was only one flight attendant serving the Mint cabin, so service was a bit slow. However, the flight attendant was nice and attentive. I rate flight attendant and service 3.8 stars. The amenity kit comes in 2 packages. The first with normal items such as eye mask and toothbrush. And the second with items meant to energize the passengers during the flight. The seat can be converted into a completely flat bed. The only disappointing part of Mint was the in-flight entertainment system. The screen resolution was not high definition, it lacked on content, and the navigation was clunky. I give the in-flight entertainment 3.3 stars. Let's review my ratings. Aircraft and cabin 4.2, meals 4.4, seat 3.8, flight attendant and service 3.8, in-flight entertainment 3.3, giving us the final score 3.9. I really enjoyed my flight in JetBlue's Mint. It is certainly one of the best premium options for coast-to-coast flying in the United States. Thank you for watching. Please like, leave a comment and subscribe. See you next time.